To carry out basic drawing functions in Autodesk Civil 3D, it is important to know how to access and use a few of the common features. From the Home or View tab, in the Palettes panel, click Toolspace. The Toolspace window is an integral component for accessing commands, styles, and data. Use it to access the Prospector, Settings, Survey, and Toolbox tabs. Click to display the Prospector tab. From this tab, you can manage project and drawing objects. In the Prospector tree, right-click on a civil object, such as an alignment or pipe. Select Zoom to from the options to zoom to the object location in the model. Since Civil 3D is built on AutoCAD, the same navigation commands, such as pan, zoom, and orbit, apply and can be used in the same manner. The navigation bar can also be turned on from the View tab in the Viewport Tools panel. Object selection can be achieved by clicking on Objects or by drawing a window or box to highlight objects. A window selects everything that completely falls within the window, whereas a box selects anything it touches. Window selection works from left to right. Draw a window at the top left corner of the surface. Note that nothing is selected, as the object is not completely within the window extent. Box selection works from right to left. Draw a box at the right top corner of the surface. The surface is selected, despite not being completely within the box extent. Holding the left mouse button while moving the cursor creates a lasso effect. The lasso can be applied from left to right, or from right to left, to achieve the same effect of a window or box selection. Object snaps are used to select points that may be difficult to pick, such as the end point of a line, midpoints, or intersections. To specify an object snap, add a prompt for a point. Do one of the following. Press and hold Shift as you right-click to display the Object Snap shortcut menu. While drawing, right-click and from the Snap Overrides submenu, choose an Object Snap. On the Object Snap toolbar, click an Object Snap option. Object snaps can be toggled on or off by pressing F3 on your keyboard, or by clicking the Object Snap button on the status bar of the application window. If several running object snaps are turned on, more than one object snap may be eligible at a given location. Press Tab to cycle through the possibilities before you specify the point. Other basic drawing commands can be accessed from the ribbon on the Home tab in the Draw, Modify, Layers, and Clipboard panels. AutoCAD keyboard shortcuts also work with these